Why do we get hiccups? Is it just your body being annoying, or is there a reason behind it? Let me explain in 30 seconds. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, spasms suddenly. This causes your vocal cords to snap shut, creating that hic sound. It can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even stress. Scientists still aren't 100% sure why it happens, but it's likely a leftover reflex from evolution. Got the hiccups right now? Try holding your breath or drinking water. Follow and share this with someone who always gets them.